Work pack setup and management. The general rule in aviation is that an aircraft may not be worked on without a work trail. This may be paper or electronic. Rectifications may be recorded on the flight folio. Scheduled and unscheduled work must be complied with IAW and AMO work pack system. A work pack is created for each maintenance event. Traceability is everything. All the relevant tasks are then linked to the work pack, which enables the tracking of costs, maintenance and certification history. Each work pack must be linked to an aircraft or company code registered in the database. At the time of linking a work pack to an aircraft, the current aircraft hours, cycles, and landings, as well as the Class 1 component serial numbers are recorded on the work pack. This enables later retrieval of this information, even if the aircraft registration has changed. Note: only one aircraft can be linked to a work pack. Work packs are linked to a customer data file, which is linked and stored in the work pack data. This customer does not have to be the aircraft owner. The aircraft owner at the time of linking will, however, be the default customer selection for the work pack. Work can only be done on work packs with an open status. Once a work pack is closed, the associated task cards, parts, costing, etc. are locked and cannot be changed. Note: it is not possible to close a work pack with incomplete task cards. Task cards must have an action taken entered and this action certified by the responsible AME. It is possible on a per AMO basis to set up specific task card types if carried forward tasks are a regular occurrence. A new work pack may be opened to carry forward any incomplete task cards. The owner-operator must be advised of any incomplete work. Subcontracts or outwork services are handled as task cards. A services purchase order is placed on a task card to a subcontractor, supplier. Only one services purchase order can be placed on a single task card. Parts may be linked to a task card on purchase orders. Work pack creating and editing is done from the work pack page. Hover over work pack on the main menu and select work pack. Click on the blue New button. Insert the work pack name. Select the work pack type. Select the aircraft registration which the work pack is being opened for. Select the customer, who will be paying for the work done. Enter the PO number. Click on the Insert button. A new work pack is created. Working with task cards. To create a new task card, select the spanner on top left. Select New. A new task card is created. Enter the task card description. Enter work to be carried out in task field. Select the responsible AME from the drop-down list. Select the duplicate inspector from the drop-down list if required. Select the manual to be used to carry out the task. Enter any reference required for the task. This may be an SB or AD. Select if the action taken will appear on the logbook entry. Select if task is a scheduled item. Enter action category. Select Insert to add the task to the work pack. Add more tasks as required.